Hello, first graders. Welcome to a new math lesson. We're still in topic 3. Remember, this topic, we're learning about additions facts to 20. We learn different strategies to add to 20. We learn about counting on, using the open number line. We use the doubles plus, and making the 10 frames. So today we're going to explain which strategies we're going to use to add our numbers. So let's start. Please, page 133.
Eight plus 6 equals blank. Choose a strategy to solve the problem. Use words, objects, or pictures to explain your work.
So if you look, we can use any of these strategies to get 8 plus 6. So we can use the doubles, then we add 1 or 2 more, which is near doubles or doubles plus, to answer our question. Or we can use the 10 frames, making 10, putting the counters to fill the 10 frames, and then count the rest outside. So 8 plus 6 equals 10 plus 4. So 8 plus 6 means 14. Let's go.
You can use different strategies to solve addition problems.
One way is to use doubles. How do these cube towers show doubles? Both towers have the same number of cubes. They show 4 plus 4, which is a double. Another way is to use near doubles. How do these cube towers show near doubles? One tower has one more cube than the other tower. They show 5 plus 6, which is a near doubles fact. How do these cube towers show near doubles? One tower has 2 more cubes than the other tower. They show 6 plus 8, which is a near doubles fact. A third way is to make 10. How could you use the 10 frame to make 10? You could move 2 more counters into the 10 frame. You may also have your own way to remember addition facts. Now, let's look at these numbers. Why is 4 plus 4 a double?
Because we know both addends are the same numbers. Both parts of my equation are the same number.
Both addends are the same. What is the sum of 4 plus 4? The sum is 8. Now let's look at a near doubles fact. Why is 6 plus 7 a near double?
Because it's double 6 plus 1. One of the towers, one more. And I know 6 plus 1 equals 7. So my second addend, it's one more than the first addend. So it's a near doubles or double plus.
The addends are 1 apart. 7 is 1 more than 6. What doubles fact could you use to help you add 6 plus 7? You can use the doubles fact 6 plus 6 equals 12. How does knowing 6 plus 6 equals 12 help you find the sum of 6 plus 7? Since 7 is 1 more than 6, the sum of 6 plus 7 is 1 more than 12. It is 13. Now let's look at the third way to remember addition facts. One number is close to 10. How can you make 10? Let's see. Which number in 8 plus 5 is close to 10? The number 8 is close to 10. How would you move counters to make 10?
We're going to try to fill the 2 empty boxes with 2 counters from outside to have 10. And then I'm going to count how many counters left outside.
You move 2 counters from 5 to 8 to make 10. What addition fact with 10 can you now use to find the sum?
Select your answer.
So we have the 10 frames, that's 10, and we're counting how many counters outside. So 10 plus 3. Not this one. Yes, so I'm gonna move it here.
You can use 10 plus 3 equals 13. You can use different ways to remember addition facts.
So this lesson is like revising a little revision for what we covered before. The strategies that you can use to add numbers to reach 20 or till 20. So we can use doubles, we can use near doubles or doubles plus, so either +1 or +2, or we can make 10 thinking which number is closer to 10 by using the 10 frame. All right, so let's see some of the exercise we have. All right. Find each sum, choose a strategy to use. So first one, 6 plus 6. For me, that's easy. I can see that this is doubled. So 6 plus 6, that's doubles facts, that's 12. Let's go for number 2, 9 plus 7. I think 9 plus 7, I can use either the doubles plus or near doubles. So I go for double 7 and I add 2 more because 2 is more than 9 is 2 more than 7. Or I can use the 10 frame, make it 10 because 9 is closer to 10. So I can make my 10 frames, move one counter in to fill the 10 frame and then count how many we have outside. Number 3, 6 plus 7. To me, this looks like a near double. So I can have 6 plus 6, as you see up here. I know 6 plus 6 is 12, and 7 is 1 more than 6. So I'm going to add 1 counter for my 2 towers. If you needed help, you can go back to the previous video and see that. And it's going to be near double. So 6 plus 7 equals 13. Also for number 4, I can use near doubles because it's easier and I can do it. So I know my double facts 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. And I know that 9 is 1 more than 8. So 8 plus 9 is 17. So as we see, we did not really learn something new from this lesson, but we used all the strategies that help us to add. And over here, they ask you to choose whatever you like. So you can use the 10 frames, you can use the double facts, you can use the near doubles facts, or even you can use the open number line if you feel that this is one of the strategy or one of the way that you like to use it to add. All right, first graders, that's it for today's lesson. Thank you. Hello, first graders. Welcome to a new math lesson. We're still in topic 3. In today's lesson, lesson number 8, page 137. Solve addition word problems with facts to 20. So we're not still adding till 20. We're going to use any of the strategies, but we need to read, find out how we're going to get the hidden information. So it's words problems or sentence that we read to get the information we're looking for. Let's start.
Caleb collects stickers. He has 4 more stickers than Zoe. Zoe has 5 stickers. How many stickers does Caleb have? Use objects, drawings, or an equation to show your thinking.
All right, if we say Caleb collects stickers, he has 4 more stickers than Zoe. So we need to find out how many stickers Zoe has. So Zoe has 5 stickers. I can use stamps here and I can say, okay, that's Zoe has 5 stickers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. And that's Zoe. Okay. Go back to my sentence and try to find the rest of the information. Caleb collects stickers. He has 4 more stickers than Zoe. So now I know that Zoe has 5 and Caleb has 4 more. 4 more. So let's see. So Caleb have more, four more. So let's say that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 more. 6, 7, 8, 9. And that will be Caleb. So Caleb had 4 more. Now I can really find the rest. So I know now that Caleb has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Caleb has 9 stickers. How did I get this information? Just reading my sentence, try to break it and get any hidden information that will help me. Let's go for the video.
You can write an equation to solve a word problem. Let's look at an example. Tanya reads 5 books. She reads 7 fewer books than Seth. How many books did Seth read? What do you know? Tanya read 5 books. Tanya has read 7 fewer books than Seth. Who has read fewer books, Seth or Tanya? Why? Tanya has read fewer because she has read 7 fewer than Seth. So who has read more books? Explain.
We know that Seth read more.
Seth has read more books because Tanya has read 7 fewer books than Seth. That also means that Seth has read 7 more books than Tanya. What do you need to find out?
Select your answer.
So we need to find out who read more. So we need to say how many books Seth read. Did Tanya read 5 books and Tanya read 7 fewer books than Seth.
You need to find out how many books Seth read. How could you solve this problem? You can use counters. 5 counters for Tanya's books, 7 counters for the 7 more books Seth read. There are 12 counters in all. Seth read 7 more books than Tanya, and Tanya read 5 books. So you need to add 5 plus 7 to solve this problem. What equation can you write to solve this problem?
Addition.
You can write the equation 5 plus 7 equals 12. So how many books did Seth read? Seth read 12 books. Now you know how to write an equation to help solve a problem.
So what we need to do, break the information. Just read sentence by sentence and put the information down. So we know that we have 2 friends, one read 5 and the other read 7 more than the first one. So 7 more than 5. So I'm going to have 5. That's what my first friend read, Tanya, plus the 7 more. And now I know that Seth read 12 books. All right, let's see one of the examples we have. All right, solve each problem, use counters or draw a picture, then write your equation. Tim writes 9 stories. He writes 3 fewer stories than Daisy. So how many stories did Daisy write? So we know that Tim writes 9 stories. That's what Tim did. And he writes 3 fewer stories than Daisy. So that means Daisy is less than it. He less than Daisy. So we're going to say 9 plus 3. Now, to get this answer or to get the sum for this equation, either we make the 10 and you add, or just count on. So I know that 9 plus 3 equals 12. I'm going to write here 12. All right, let's go for number 2. Sherry reads 6 comics books. Dali reads 5 more comic books than Sherry. How many comic books did Dali read? So I know Sherry reads 6 comic books. All right, so that's the 6 that she read. And we know Dali reads 5 more. That's extra. So I'm going to add 5 more of what the first friend read. So 6 plus 5. I can go for doubles. 5 plus 1. Very good. 11. So that means Dali read 11 because read 5 more than Sherry. All right. As we see, the equation is still simple. We have to write it down, but it's written all the information in your sentence. Read it, break it, and then do your equation. All right. So I'll leave you to have fun with the rest of the activity, first graders. Thank you. Hello, first graders. Welcome to a new math lesson. We're still in topic 3, lesson 9, and today will be the last lesson for this topic. So let's start. Critique reasoning. When we critique someone means like you argue nicely. Either you agree or disagree. But if you agree or disagree, you have to make sense. We have to agree for a reason or disagree for another reason. So reasoning is like you give a reason why you agree or why you disagree. So let's start page 141.
A pet store has 9 frogs. 5 of the frogs are green and the rest are brown. Lydia adds 5 plus 9 and says that the store has 14 brown frogs. Circle if you agree or do not agree with Lydia's thinking. Use pictures, words, or equations to explain.
All right. So let's see what we have here. All right. So a pet store has 9 frogs. 5 of the frogs are green and the rest are brown. Lydia adds 5 plus 9 and says that the store has 14 brown frogs. 14 browns, but over there it says 9 frogs are brown and the rest or 5 are green. So do you agree or disagree?
How can you decide if you agree or do not agree with someone's thinking about the way he or she solved a problem? Look at an example. 5 dogs are playing. Some more dogs joined. Now 8 dogs are playing. Mary says 13 dogs joined because 5 plus 8 equals 13. Joe says 3 dogs joined because 5 plus 3 equals 8. How can you decide if you agree with Mary or with Joe? How many dogs are playing at the beginning of the problem? 5 dogs are playing. How many dogs does the problem say joined them?
Select your answer.
So 5 dogs are playing. That's what we know. Some more dogs join them. So some more dogs join these 5, but I don't know how many. So do we know 5, 8, or we don't know? We don't know.
You don't know. The problem says some dogs joined them. How many dogs are playing now? 8 dogs are playing now. Joe says 3 dogs joined them. Why does he say this? Joe says 3 more dogs joined them because 5 plus 3 equals 8.
So that's right. That makes sense because there were 5 and now their total is 8. So that means 3 join 5 plus 3 equals 8.
How can you decide if you agree or do not agree with what Joe said? You can ask questions, look for mistakes in his thinking or explanation, or see if his thinking is clear to you. You can draw a picture. What does the picture show? The picture shows 5 dogs, that some more come, and now there are 8 dogs. What does this picture show?
All right, it says 5 and 3 more.
This picture shows 5 dogs plus 3 more dogs. Does the addition equation match the picture?
Yes.
Yes. 5 dogs and 3 more dogs can be described with the equation 5 plus 3 equals 8. So, do you agree with Joe's thinking? Yes, you agree with Joe's thinking. Mary's thinking is incorrect because she used the sum as an addend.
Now you know how to decide whether you agree or do not agree with someone's thinking about a problem.
And that's pretty much helping and assisting you to get the right answer from also, if you remember the previous lesson when we say that's a problem words that you need to read to break the information and put it right. It's not because I have number 5 and number 8 that's mean if I add them together it will give me the right answer. No, we need to read, we need to understand, and we need to find out what information we have and what information are we looking for.
Five dogs are playing. Some dogs join. Now 8 dogs are playing. Joe says 3 dogs joined in because 5 plus 3 equals 8. What question would you ask Joe to explain his thinking?
I will ask Joe, for example, to explain how does he knew to add 3 to the 5. This could be, I know that total 8 and I have 5. So 5, I would think addition to get my answer. So something plus 5 equals 3. Which number, if I add it to 5, give me 8. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Page 142. Circle your answer. Use pictures, words, or equations to explain. 9 cats chase a ball. Some cats stop to eat. Now 4 cats are chasing the ball. Stan says 13 cats stop to eat because 9 plus 4 equals 13. So let's read again. 9 cats chase the ball. Some cats stop to eat. Now 4 cats are chasing the ball. Stan says 13 cats stop to eat because 9 plus 4 equals 13. Do you agree or not agree with Stan? I do not agree because total cats are 9. So let's use our picture here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 9 cats, right? They were chasing the balls. Then some stop, so some cats stop. Now 4 cats are chasing. That means I have 4. I'm going to say 9 minus the 4 cats that stop equals these are my 9 cats, 4 stop. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 cats, very good. So now 4 cats. So 9 minus 4 equals 5. So now 5 cats are chasing the ball. But Stan added, as I was saying, he just saw 9 and number 4, then add them together. But we didn't say there is more cat join. No. So 9 minus 4 equals 5. So 5 cats stopped to eat. All right. Okay, I'll leave you with the rest of the activity. Try to break the information, put it down and see if you agree or not agree. So over here, we did not agree, so we're going to circle. So you have 2 parts in your question. Explain your answer, and that will help you to either agree or not agree. All right, so that was last lesson for this topic for first graders. In this topic, we learn how to make add strategies, different strategies to add to make 20. So we learn about doubles facts. We learn about also near doubles or doubles plus. We use a 10 frame. We used also solving addition word problems. We get the facts, we get the information, and then we learn to critique or reasoning, either agree or disagree, and you explain your thinking. All right, that's it for today, first graders. Thank you.